Y'all just don't understand how craven this bird is. Y'all think I'm joking. Look at him now. See how he's making his way over to the chips? Listen, you want some of this one? Here, here, here. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Where you going? Here. Lord. I think I'm joking. Seriously. This is serious. I gotta have dinner with him every night. If I don't, it's seriously a problem. This is the turkey sub from Subway. I'm sure it'd have been nice. Eat my sandwich in peace. He wasn't having it. I saw he didn't want no chips. He didn't want no chips. He wanted the turkey. He wanted the turkey sub. Lord have mercy.